Hey Wastelanders, this is Gary from The Last Ranger, and today's video is the Kubey Avenger pocket folder. Let's get on with the review. I only have the one other Kubey knife, and that's a fixed blade. It's called the Razor, and it kind of really reminds me of a Cyberpunk design. So a month or so later, I saw the Avenger and I had to purchase it based off it looking like the Razor. It comes in Austin steel. It's a Tonto blade, of course. It's a chisel slash flat grind. I think in the specifications it labels it as a flat grind, but it's more like a chisel grind to me. On this one side, it's flat, totally flat on the other. It's a satin blade, liner lock, tip up, right hand only carry. It's a manual flipper, of course, ceramic bearings. It's lanyard friendly. Both sides are G10, but with a titanium pocket clip. Let's compare it with a few other knives. This is the Benchmade Bug Out. More of a medium-sized knife. And this is the Finch Runtley, a small knife. Let's go over some specifications, size and weight. The handle is 4.8 inches. The blade is 3.1 inches. The cutting edge just on the bottom is 2.6 inches. But the knife is overall 7.9 inches. The handle thickness is 0.52 inches. The blade thickness is 0.12 inches. And the edge thickness is 0.03 inches. So not quite as slicey as the other knife I reviewed, the DnAhanks, but it's getting there. The weight is 5.2 ounces without the lanyard. What do you guys think of it? You think it's a winner? It's very cyberpunkish. It kind of matches this fixed blade, don't you think? Yeah, I purchased this through Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description. I'll provide a link to the regular version of the Avenger, and I'll also provide a link to the premium version of the Avenger. The premium version only features titanium scales. That's the only difference. It still has the same Oz 10 steel and the titanium pocket clip. It just has, it's probably lighter because it's titanium. But it's also like 3 times the price. And yeah. I hope you liked this review. And if you could leave a comment, a like, and please consider subscribing, that would be fantastic. Take care, Wastelanders.